everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So I just finished filming 2 videos, and one of them should be going up tomorrow or late tonight. I'm about to start getting dinner ready, and we're gonna have another one of those meals that we had last night. I wish I would have gotten another salmon. Usually I hate salmon, you guys, but last night's dinner was so delicious. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste that chicken because I know it's gonna be bomb. And after that, we're gonna go to Best Buy to see if I can get another terabyte. I don't think we've talked about it yet, but we did get a new camera, so I don't know if you guys have seen the quality change at all. But the reason I think I need a new terabyte is because I don't think my current terabyte can handle the high quality of this footage. So I really do think I need a new terabyte. Hopefully that's the issue. Hopefully I don't have to replace my entire laptop, because that is an expense that I just don't want to make right now. Obviously we already invested in a camera. Investing in a laptop would be a little much, but hopefully we can finish putting up all of our Christmas decorations. That way we can get this apartment tour done and up for you guys. So yeah, I've been rambling for a minute. My arm hurts and I'm sweating under these lights. I've been under them for too long. So let's head to the kitchen, make some dinner, and let's go to Best Buy.
Christmas activated. Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day number 4.
5? Oh my god.
No, it's not.
Get it wrong one more time.
Is it 5?
Yes.
I just watched number 3.
It's 5. You just watched number 4, if you really did watch it. Oh Lord Jesus, help me. Alright, so George already started preheating the oven, and we're going to have the same Parmesan green beans. But today we're going to be having this chicken breast and basil pesto sauce. So I'm going to pop these in the oven and dinner will be ready. And here's tonight's dinner.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
Oh, yes. Wow, what a beautiful home. Is that our house? Excuse me, do you like my Christmas decorations outside? My Christmas lights? You don't like them?
Who's talking?
It's me.
You guys, I think we fixed the problem. I think the problem was my terabyte. And I am, what, a minute and a half in, and it hasn't crashed yet. You guys, this is freaking amazing. I haven't seen the rainbow circle yet. I'm thinking this one can handle it. It's just that it's running out of storage. I'm happy that we don't have to get a whole new laptop.
I was kind of looking forward to getting a whole new laptop.
Are you kidding?
Or a whole new computer.
Why?
Because
So you were hoping this wouldn't work?
no, I was hoping that it would work. I wasn't looking forward to spending the money, but hey, here's a whole new laptop.
Hey. Watch this. Let's go get one then.
No.
Oh.
Another treat for you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Christmas trees.
5 Christmas trees.
Yeah.
The little ones don't count. No, they don't.
because we have a lot of stuff. All of Vlogmas, when we get a house, is gonna be decoration. Vlogmas decoration part 1 through 24. Look out for the Christmas apartment tour that we're gonna be filming shortly. Yes. All right. Peace, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
We got it. We did it. That
Very
sounded
good.
better.
It gets harder and harder to film outros, guys. It's harder and harder to say goodbye.
Aww.
Christmas time.